Social media is a powerful tool, connecting billions of people across the globe. But as the saying goes, with great power comes with a great responsibility. This campaign isn't just about limiting ourselves to the online world, it's about making it better. Let's explore how we can use social media to build bridges, not walls, to spread kindness, not negativity, and to create a more positive and inclusive online world.
Init na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang planong pagpapailaw para gawing aesthetic ang Bulkang Mayon sa Albay.
Uy, nakita mo boy sa GC? Kalat na yung comment mo sa TikTok.
Ano? Yung comment mo dun sa Mayon? Huh? Totoo ba? Wala, ano to? Joke lang naman yan ah. Paano to?
Think before you post. Always be mindful about our digital footprint and practice responsible social media use. Regularly review our online activity and remove any content that no longer reflects our values or goals. Always engage in positive online interactions, focusing on building connections and contributing to constructive conversations. Always be mindful of the language we use, the images we share, and the content we engage with. Avoid posting anything that could be construed as offensive, discriminatory, or unprofessional. Remember, our online presence is often the first impression we make.
Hi guys! Nandito ako sa Yusan. It's currently 2:30 and
Privacy protection refers to keeping personal data safe from being accessed, shared, or misused without consent. Effects on people: loss of privacy can lead to scams, financial theft, or emotional distress. People may feel exposed or unsafe if their personal info is leaked. How to prevent violations: avoid sharing sensitive details like full name, address, ID numbers. Use trusted websites and secure networks. Enable two-factor authentication and regularly update security settings.